Yes, plants bloom. You know what Daddy likes. My beautiful peppers are gonna burn my tongue and keep the plumbing going, hell yeah! I'm gonna be in mango and sticky rice overload soon. That's what I'm. Oh man, this makes me happy. Look at this. These things are gonna bloom and they're gonna look really, really good soon. I mean, it's just gonna be awesome. I know it's sad. I know it's sad, but I don't care. I don't care. I'm just gonna do my thing. Do my thing. This is awesome. Poor thing. But, ew.
As my regular subscribers and viewers will know, I had recently returned from the United States and in doing so found dead plants in my yard, which was very disheartening. Now, obviously, I'm not just going to sit around and watch dead plants on my yard, right? So I've decided to remedy that and replace the plants. And I chose to do so in this nursery. I don't know the name of this nursery. It's huge. It's at terminal. Excuse me. It's at bus terminal 3 in Khon Kaen. I just don't know the name of it. So if anybody knows the name of this terminal, please let me know, and I will amend the description in this video. Sorry for my absence of late. I've been undergoing some mental health therapy and self-therapy anyways, and I've decided to take a break from the internet as much as I can. I've been checking in daily so that I could respond to any comments that were on my threads or on my postings, but I've decided not to spend a lot of time on the internet. So it's been a nice break. I've also been undergoing a water fast that has made me murderously unpleasant. So staying away from people was a really, really good idea during this period of time. As you can see, the nursery in Khon Kaen Bus Terminal 3 is absolutely huge, and you can find pretty much any garden sculpture that you want. There's a plethora of trees to choose from. The grounds are sprawling. Any kind of flowers that you're looking for, you can find. Unfortunately, for some really odd reason, there's not a single vendor on this strip that sells sod. I don't know what's going on there. So finding this place is relatively easy. I mean, it's attached to Terminal 3 or Terminal Bus Terminal 3, and that's at the toe up from the flow up intersection of Highway 230 and Mitapop Road. I really want one of those garden nagas that they have on display. I really have appreciated nagas since I went to the Naga garden, especially now that I know the symbolism between each of the nagas or among each of the nagas. Now, this artwork here is not terribly traditional. Nagas. I really like the color of the blue ones, but the black ones are probably more what I would go for because they represent and symbolize protection. So protection of your home, protection of whatever. But yeah, since I've gone to the Naga garden, I've really started to appreciate these Thai symbols. Flowers everywhere. I've bought flowers from this particular vendor. By the way, this is not one giant vendor that stretches the entire block. It's actually multiple vendors. The problem that you're going to face with that is there's a lot of repetition between vendors, and the smaller the vendor, the more they're likely going to choose like the big selling items. Or so if you're looking for something like obscure, like a type of eggplant that is not normally popular in Thailand, there's a better nursery on the east side that I will do a review of sometime in the future. I just have to actually go there. But yeah, that nursery actually has more obscure stuff because it's a single vendor that's also really sprawling. Now, this particular vendor that I go to here, this nice little old lady there who's spraying her flowers and everything, she's got a huge selection of roses and other flowers. I chose flowers that I thought may be better suited for the Thai climate. Some of the flowers that I chose from last year, they just don't do well unless you take care of them, unless you spoil them. I need flowers that can take a beating right now, because if I have to leave again for 2 or 3 weeks, it's really heartbreaking coming back to dead plants. I swear, they're like children. I mean, I take care of them, and I try to make sure that they're living their best life, so to speak. And when I come back and they're all dead, I feel really guilty. I know they're just flowers, but, well, I'm a man that just likes to take care of the things that he has to look after. You know what I'm saying? That's how I roll, baby. That's how I roll. As you can see here, the property goes on and on and on and on. It's a great place to pick up a lot of stuff. But like I said, if you're looking for obscure things, you might be disappointed. But this does have plenty of stuff that you can get. There are multiple versions of, say, guava, or multiple versions of oranges and things of that nature if you're looking for citrus fruits and whatnot. So it's a really nice nursery. I'm befuddled by the fact that they don't have sod. What nursery doesn't have sod? If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. It would mean the world to me. Once again, I love you, I appreciate you, and I wish you all best in life. If you're having a tough time of it or a rough day, I feel you, brother or sister. Hang in there. We'll get through this.